The people puzzle and the challenge for skills continues within the industry. But businesses are finding ways around the problem. The People and Skills winners of the Manufacturer MX Awards 2022 are evidence of this.
I know without good teamwork, we wouldn't have been able to achieve what we've managed to achieve. It was really important for me to make sure that we involved as many people in the factory as possible. So through things like our Works Council, our wellbeing champions, we have apprentice ambassadors on site to engage beyond the four walls of the factory, just to all contribute towards that team effort.
Apprenticeship programmes are common within manufacturing companies, but if they're not robust and widespread across a variety of functions, then you're going to struggle.
When I first joined, the apprentice programme was mainly for production operator roles and wasn't really fit for purpose. So we spent a lot of work, a couple of years, enhancing it, making sure that we were looking at the right skills that we needed for the future of the business. And those roles of data analysts, data scientists, software engineers, accounts across all disciplines. You know, we're looking at maintenance engineers, but we're not forgetting the HR functions, the account functions of the business. So it was a hell of a piece of work going in behind the scenes to get that to what it is today.
Attracting talent is one problem, but keeping them is another. Looking out for them and creating safe spaces for them, this has to factor in somewhere. Everyone has struggles, inside and outside of the workplace.
I've had a couple of people come to me before and I've helped them. You know, I could say one that was financial, and you can just give them the numbers to ring, or you know, just little tips on how to be better with money. This lad was quite young, and it did help him. You know, I got a few phone calls off him just outside of work, just saying he's doing better with this, he's doing better with that, and it was quite comforting to me. If anyone ever needed to chat, we just come into this room now, so it's dedicated to us. We have the passcode to the door. And as you can see, it's a very comforting, very relaxed, non-stressful area.
Assembling the pieces is a process, but the businesses that trust their people will finish the puzzle faster than the ones that don't.